Sullivan. Today we're joined by Tim Evans of Longleaf Trading. I think first timer on Trading Nation, Tim, so welcome. Glad to have you.
I like your show a lot. Thanks for having me.
Well, thank you. We appreciate it. Okay, let's talk commodities. You've got a fairly bearish view overall. How come?
Well, I mean, basically, we're looking at the differential of our view with respect to the probability of the Fed moving forward with the September rate hike and what the market is pricing in. I mean, we saw early in the week, it changed a little bit midweek, but toward the end of the trading session today, the market's still pricing in about a 20% chance. And in honor of my favorite time of year, which is college football, I'm going to use a sports term and call it a pick 'em bet. We think it's roughly, give or take, 50% on whether the Fed will move forward with raising rates.
Okay, listen, by the way, big college football fan as well here. So let's take the pick 'em though. What happens to a basket of commodities if the Fed raises or if the Fed does not? What's the trade either way?
Well, I mean, if the market consensus is that the Fed will not raise rates, and the Fed surprisingly does move forward with raising rates, that should put a lot of negative pressure on dollar-denominated assets, especially gold. So, I mean, those best opportunities are normally there when you're able to find the market leaning the wrong direction. We think at a 20% probability, we think they are leaning in the wrong direction at this point.
Is there anything you'd be a buyer of, Tim?
Well, I'm going to stay with gold. I mean, I like gold in the long run. Just in the dealing with the short run dynamics we're dealing with right now, I think we're going to see some short-term negative pressure. From that point, I think gold is going to be an excellent buy. Really, on the other side of a rate hike, I think gold is positioned to do actually very well.
All right, likes gold, pretty much negative on other commodities. The Fed, a binary event, and we like college football. Tim, we got a lot in common. Thank you very much for joining us. Tim Evans of Longleaf Trading. We'll see you again. Folks, thank you for tuning in to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan, and I'll see you again. Take care.